Forgive me, I'm under a tree. Kind of nice. I've never done this before, so but I think I'm gonna do it more often. Hi, it's Jenny D, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. We usually do our sewing intros in my kitchen, but kitchen is a little bit of a mess right now, so I'm outside enjoying the fresh air for once. Today, it's really exciting because I'm doing a collaboration with Bianka Bowman. We met through Instagram, I believe, through mutuals, and she makes these amazing, elaborate costumes and just all around an amazing creator that I really look up to. And I got a chance to meet her a couple months ago, and she's just as lovely in person. Her personality on film shines through in person. I was really happy that we lived close by. We took a trip to Remainders, and that's a thrift craft store in Pasadena, and we bought some fabric in hopes, and we were looking to see if we could collaborate on a project from there, but I didn't end up finding anything, and so we just agreed on using what we had in our stash, and I picked her pattern and fabric, and then she picked my pattern and fabric for this project. It's a 1970s pattern that I've had in my stash already. I think I bought it at Remainders when I first went there. So it's all first full circle. Excuse me, I have a little bit of a cold. It's not like a full-blown like flu, but it's just enough to have an annoying voice. So this project was relatively cheap because I had everything already, and all I needed was the motivation to get it done. Please give her a subscribe and look out for her project that she's going to recreate. And yeah, I think that's it for the intro. Let's get started. I had this orange lace magically in my stash, and I cut out the pattern, and this was the most quickest project I ever made because as soon as I finished the darts and I matched up the sides, I put in the ruffle around the waistband and it connected the skirt. The dress was literally done. This was a very easy project. This makes me more curious to try more 1970s patterns, because if it's this simple to use, I definitely want to try and make more. What aided in making this so quick is I didn't make a mock-up. I just cut straight from the pretty fabric. And let me show you the dress reveal. I love the big billowy sleeves. I think that's my favorite feature from using this pattern. I want to make more, maybe in a silk, but I love that it's lace and you can wear different colors underneath. Final thoughts on this project. I love it. Pattern was the quickest one I've ever tried, and it is so simple but a really nice silhouette to wear. I think it's really flattering as well. And what a perfect way to walk around a pumpkin patch. Feel a little like the sun, because this fabric is really bright, very orange. I was thinking maybe of toning it down with some tea water, but I'm just gonna leave it how it is. I like it. Sometimes you just want to be brighter than the sun walking around. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please take a look at Bianka Bowman's project. We collaborated on this. I chose her pattern and fabric, and I can't wait to see her outfit, and I'll link it down in the description, and I'll also make it a community post so you can check it out there too. Subscribe, and I'll love you forever. See you guys next time. Bye bye.